Hey, looks like it's here. Oh yeah, Flatline Van Company, rear bumper. This is awesome. Stay tuned, we'll get her on. Okay, so the idea here is I want this thing to match the running boards on the van that I have now, which I got on Amazon, and there's a video about that if you want to check that out. I'll put a link at the end. I'll put a link down below. They're really nice running boards, very tubular. So I want these to match. That's why I got this Flatline Van Company stuff. So let's pop her open here. So it doesn't have the textured finish like the running boards have, but it's pretty good. It should kind of match up. I like it. Let's check it out here. How are we gonna put this on? I never liked this stupid step thing. I mean, you put your foot over here, you fall off. You get this stupid, I mean, like, really? Did you need it that big? This will be nice. This will kind of cover up all this Hitch stuff here. Let's put it on, man. Oh, this is what was in the box. A couple of brackets. Pretty nicely wrapped. I mean, look at these suckers. These are like, this is at least a 7-gauge steel. I mean, looks like it's about 1/4 inch thick. Pretty thick stuff. And then here's our parts kit. Let's see what this looks like. You know, it's all pretty nicely packaged here. You got a couple of nuts here, a couple of washers. So these are nice serrated, you know, grade 8 it looks like. So that's pretty good. So they sent me a link to the install instructions online. So I will go and check that out. And I'll put the link below as well so everyone else can see it. These are a Kip's nuts, so it's got the insert in there so they stay tight. It never fails when I start one of these videos. Somebody decides to mow their lawn around here. Oh well. You guys know how it is. So that's what's in the package. I always like to lay it all out. I don't want to grab the wrong fastener and screw something up. So the instruction says, attach brackets to factory tow hitch. Insert the M12 screws through the holes and attach with washers and nylon insert lock nuts. So, looks easy enough. All right, so let's see what we got to do here. We got to take this bolt right here off, and then we got to take some bolts up underneath here, these two guys, and get this old hitch step off. There's the old step off. Okay, pretty easy here, methinks. Anywho, so this just goes on here like a yes, right? Like a dot. So, big old washer. That sucker's huge. And then these caps now will keep it on. And that's it. So, pretty easy, right? Righto. Oh, I gotta get a wrench for that. Okay. 17 millimeters. Be right back. Gotta get a wrench. Okay. You know, yesterday it was 100 degrees out here, and today it's 80. Okay, smart move there, Gary. Yeah. All right. I think we'll leave it a little loose. Okay, come on now. We'll leave her a little loose so we can adjust, right? Move it around. You know, I can move it, but it's snug. So that'll be that side. I'll do the other side. So we're gonna put this right there. I don't know, hopefully this continues to be the easiest install of my life. Nope, there's the problem right there. This hole here doesn't line up. Oh, that's why. It's supposed to go to the back hole. Well, that's a problem. Right there, right? There's a cable tie in the back hole. Oh, we can't have that. Well, big deal. Clip that. We'll put that somewhere else. Okay. All right. Shoot. Be right back. That's just for the. This is just for the hitch wires. So, hey man, we need that hole. See how this baby fits. Oh yeah. It's good. I don't know if I can have this Harley Davidson on there. Maybe I'll take that off. You see that? It's just Harley Davidson's a little bit too tall. All right, what's next, boys? Okay, so now this is really difficult stuff here, you know? So now we want to screw it in from the top down. Looks like, what am I doing? It's not a touch screen. Ooh, look at those. Do we have any of those? Didn't come with those. What? Oh, we gotta get some of those, man. Because those are just kind of cool, right? Okay. So, we're just gonna put these down from the top. Let's see, how are we gonna fit their hand in there? Not easy, but it is doable. Look through the hole there. There's the hole. Boom. This one here. Okay. And then underneath here, just gotta screw it in. So that's not so tough, right? We can do this. Any idiot could do this, right? Any idiot. But me. No, it's fine. So, you know, when screws don't thread, you turn it a little bit backwards, and then they thread for you. So, I'm just looking down like this, getting her lined up so it's even on both sides, and just tighten her down. So this side needs to come out just a little bit. So just tighten her down. And the nice thing about it is tightening it down is pretty easy with these carriage bolts. Boom. I already tightened those. So she's on there, man. It's not going anywhere. Oh, gosh. Okay. So this little thing I was worried about, not a problem. Here's the real test. Does Harley Davidson fit in there? Let's see. Here we go. Harley Davidson, do you fit? Yes, it does. You know, I might even pull it out to there this time. There's a couple holes in Harley Davidson there. So now you gotta kind of lay down to see them, because, you know, this thing is kind of buried in here. I don't know if that's a drawback. I guess it is, because you can't really see unless you're gonna get on your... So there's Harley Davidson. He's in place and he fits fine. So it kind of seems like somebody caught this and bent it over. Couldn't have been me, but things seen better days, man. You know, but it's on there. So let's see what it looks like here. I think it's cool. I gotta get some of those hitch pin deals. I wonder if that was what was supposed to be in the box here. Like, is that what this little box? There's nothing in this. There's nothing in these, but it's the right size. I don't know. Flatline Van Company. I think they built a good product here. I like it. Check it out. You know, here it is from the side. Here it is real low. I think it looks good all the way around. Matches my running boards pretty well. Not perfect, but pretty darn good. Get a little dirty, it'll match perfect. Let's try it. Let's try it. So this looks pretty good, you know. I mean, shoot, I could never get over on this side. I was always like, okay, now we got a platform here. It's pretty solid, you know, not going anywhere. So hey, thanks for watching. Gary Schultze from Cyclone Custom Vans. Thank you, Flatline Van Company, for sending this out. I appreciate it. And hey guys, I would recommend this completely. It looks cool. It works good. It covers up this ugly bumper thing. So we'll see you next time. Bye bye.